everyone, good morning and welcome back to another vlog. As you guys can see, I'm back again in the terrace right now. Today we're actually gonna do some exercises. I don't really wanna do some exercises today. I'm gonna learn some new skill. So if you guys don't know, I'm gonna be learning from new skills. Also got a mattress right here. So let's get into the video with no more ado. Skill 1. Guys just saw the tripod was super cheap. As you guys know, it was super small, and also it can't even hold the weight of my mobile phone. So it was super dope, guys. I'm really so disappointed to have the tripod. So well, I have already placed a refund on the tripod, so well, I have to book another one. So well, as you guys can see, we have some fidget spinners. Let's have some play with them. Guys, me and my brother Ahil is actually gonna play with these fidget spinners. So there's gonna be a competition between me and him. So which one do you go with, Ahil? The yellow one or the metal one? Metal. Okay, yeah. So in this competition, the awesome fidget spinner is actually the metal one. And here's kind of good, but not so bad. So let's check it out. Who wins? 3, 2, 1, go. Nothing called camera. As you guys just saw, the plastic ones are super lightweight, and also when I just tried it, it was flying. Now check out the slow-mo. And here's a round 2. In 3, 2, 1, go. So in the round 2 it was a tie, so the one who wins the third round is the winner. 3, 2, 1, go. Not again. The metal one is super powerful, as you guys can see, compared to the other one. So pretty much that's it. Thanks Ahil for joining in the competition. Peace out. So hopefully you guys enjoyed watching today's video. If you are new around here, click here to subscribe my channel. And if you enjoyed watching it, make sure to drop a like. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.